Why did you say you kissed the ground I walked on? You should have killed me instead. I'm so tired. I want to rest. I just want to rest. I'm the Seagull. No. No, that's not it. I'm an actress. That's it. He's here too? Is he? Well, never mind. He never believed in the theater. He laughed at all my dreams, and little by little I stopped believing in them too. And then all the emotional stress and the jealousy, and I was always afraid for the baby. I started getting petty and depressed. My acting became emptier and emptier. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I didn't know how to hold myself on stage. I couldn't control my voice. You have no idea what that's like to realize you're a terrible actor. I'm the Seagull. No, that's not it. Remember that seagull you shot? A man comes along, sees her, and destroys her life because he has nothing better to do. Subject for short story. No. That's not it. What was I saying? Oh, yes. The theater. I'm not like that anymore. I'm a good actress now. I enjoy acting. I'm proud of it. The stage intoxicates me. When I'm up there, I feel beautiful. And these days being back here, walking for hours on end, thinking and thinking, I could feel my soul growing stronger every day. And now I know, Kostya. I understand that in our business, acting, writing, it makes no difference. The main thing isn't being famous. It's not the sound of applause. It's not what I dreamed it was. All it is the strength to keep going no matter what. You have to keep on believing. I believe, and it helps. And now when I think about my vocation, I'm not afraid of life. I should go. Goodbye. When I'm a great actress, come see me act, won't you? Promise? So, she brought him with her, did she? Oh well. What difference does it make? When you see Trigorin, don't say anything about this. I love him. I love him even more than I did before. Subject for a short story. I love him. I love him. I love him to despair. And things were so lovely back then, weren't they? remember? We thought life was bright, shining, joyful, and our feelings were like delicate flowers, remember? Human beings, lions, eagles, quail, you horned deer, you wild geese, you spiders and you wordless fish that swim beneath the wave, starfish, stars in heaven so bright the human eye cannot perceive them. All living things, all living things have ended their allotted rounds and are no more. For more than 1,000 centuries, the earth has been lifeless. No single living creature yet remains, and the weary moon in heaven lights her lamp in vain.